In today's video, I'm sharing some straightforward hacks that you can incorporate into your daily routine to help minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. While these tips won't permanently eliminate wrinkles, there are great cosmetic treatments for that. These simple adjustments can make a noticeable difference. We all know that sun protection is crucial for preventing wrinkles. Wearing sunscreen and sun protective clothing is key, but today, I'm focusing on smaller, practical changes you can make to address those pesky fine lines that pop up when you're tired or stressed. Here are some easy hacks to help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Number 1. Switch your pillowcase. Replace rough fabrics like flannel or jersey with silk or satin. These smoother materials are less likely to crease your skin and don't absorb moisture as cotton does, helping to prevent dryness and wrinkles. Number 2. Train yourself to sleep on your back. This can prevent your face from being squished against the pillow. If you prefer sleeping on your side, the Sleep and Glow Pillow's design cradles your face without causing creases. If you're a stomach sleeper, the pillow still provides support without excessive pressure. Number 3. Avoid resting your face on your hands. This common habit can lead to wrinkles. Try to avoid leaning on your hands or resting your chin in your palm, and if you're a side sleeper, place your hand under the pillow to prevent creasing. Number 4. Elevate your pillow. Raising the head of your bed or using a pillow with elevation helps with fluid drainage, reducing puffiness and minimizing wrinkles. The Sleep and Glow Omnia pillow offers adjustable height for optimal comfort and support. Number 5. Use a firm pillow. Ensure your pillow provides enough support. Old, worn-out pillows can contribute to morning wrinkles, so invest in a firm, supportive pillow. Number 6. Sleep with a silk or satin sleep mask. This can help prevent creasing around your eyes and reduce friction. It also blocks out light, improving your sleep quality. Number 7. Aim for 8 hours of sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for skin recovery and overall health. Make it a goal to consistently get enough rest to support your skin's natural repair processes. Number 8. Apply moisturizer at night. Nighttime is when your skin works hard to repair itself. Using a moisturizer helps maintain hydration and prevents dryness, which can accentuate wrinkles. Number 9. Consider silicone face patches. These patches help keep your skin hydrated by reducing water loss and can temporarily smooth out wrinkles. They're made from medical-grade silicone, which is gentle on the skin. Number 10. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration throughout the day is essential. Dehydration can lead to dry, wrinkled skin. Drink enough fluids and eat hydrating foods to maintain skin elasticity. I hope these tips help you wake up with smoother, less wrinkled skin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.